Kiroko kio muthi Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed arokire thukuru-ini wa Uhuru Gardens kuhingura ithanduku ria maratathi ma igeranio iria arutwo aya mareko muthi ari muthenya wa keri wa igeranio ici. Thutha wa ndagika nini mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta ona akiagenera thukuru uyu kuria anyitanire na arutwo mahoya-ini ma kiroko mbere ya mambiriirie. Akiaria na arutwo aya, Uhuru ni amahinyiriirie kunina guoya thiini wao na makiria wa mothe meitikie undu uria kumateithiriria gwika wega igeranio-ini.
We're here just to tell you that all you need to do is to do your best. Isn't that right? Yeah?
Yes.
Don't succumb to pressure. Yeah? All right?
Yes.
An exam is just an event. Yeah?
Yes.
An event in the process of life. All right?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
And you will find many more challenges as you grow older. Yeah? Many more events which you will have to overcome. So you don't have to feel that you're under pressure.
Thutha ucio President ekira woira mihango-ini ya gutumurwo kwa maratathi ma igeranio ciao kuria mereirie ati gutire murutwo ta kuingira secondary mwaka-ini ukite. Arũgamĩrĩri a gĩthomo makiuga marĩ na mwĩhoko igeranio ici iratabanio na njĩra ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire na mĩtaratara nĩ mĩgathĩke gũtigĩrĩra ũndũ ũrĩa ũngĩhĩngĩcana no ũthondekwo na ihenya.
It was the first day. I think it was a fantastic rehearsal for us. Yeah? And so today, I think for everybody there's a little bit less pressure, but no complacency. Everybody's working very, very hard to make sure, that we meet our goal of completing the second day in the same way that we did the first day.
Okay, just wishing you God's blessings and wishing you the best.
Nake munini wa President William Ruto auma mwena wa Kiambu thukuru-ini wa Musa Gitau kuriomereirie arutwo acio akimera ati matigecirie iguru ria mieke ya kuingira kirathi gia form 1 ni amu thirikari ni irameciria.
We want you to take it easy, relax, do your examination. There shouldn't be any pressure from anybody or any direction, because we want you people to succeed, because your success is the success of our country.
Maumirira ma kigeranio giki matanyitwo kurekererio muthia-ini wa mweri wa 11 niguo mahote gucagura mieke ya kuingira form 1. Gerifotera Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Macharia.